Hello, this is Troy York with Hip Discovery, and this is how to format an external hard drive on a Mac. And for this one, I'll be using the WD Easy Store hard drive. It's a 5 terabyte. So first we're going to search disk utility. And right now mine isn't showing up, so I'm going to try reconnecting it. So 2 came up here, and the top one says it's uninitialized. It doesn't have any data on it, and this other one is 5 terabyte, and that's the one that we're going to want to choose. And then we're going to want to go on the top where it says erase, on the little toolbar here. Then we're going to click that. I'm going to type in Hip Discovery plus 5 TB for 5 terabyte. Alright, so the default is Mac OS extended. And if yours came up as something else, just put it as that, because Apple suggests what your product is recommended for. And then the other option we have is security options here. And this is to either make it a quick or a slow process. You know, you want a more secure one if you have important, a lot of data, but I just have a brand new disk. So I'm going to do the fastest option. Click OK, and then we're going to go ahead to the next option, erase. And then it's going to take a second here. Now that it's over, we have a ready to use hard drive. You just go click Hip Discovery hard drive or whatever you use, and then you can go down to Finder. Then you can go down to Locations, and you can see that your hard drive is empty, and you can start putting information in there or whatever you want to use. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment on what you would like to see next.